Hello. Again with the hello. All right. Um, Back to what we were doing. What were we doing? Well, we were trying to get object value auto-completion in GraphQL. Oh, okay. Let's make this slightly bigger. Now is the time to catch up with whatever we've done so far. Oh no, the worst part of this. All right. Argument. Okay, so this part of the code is meant to give us a path to um, the path from a given set of arguments. I think having something to guide me here is better. Yeah, so when I'm here, I should get where comma id, right? So if I'm editing here, I should log this somewhere. Oh, it is getting logged. Okay, messages, nothing. There it is. So where comma id is my parent, as in my ancestors, but apparently in some cases it doesn't work. Oh, it works. Okay, I don't know why it didn't work once and then now it works. Doesn't matter. We've got a path from here to here, right, to this field. But now we also need the path from this field to the root to get the list of args, which we have over here, right? We have the field. So what we should be able to do is now from okay. So first of all, find. Okay, I've already written some of it here. Find dot name and arg. Okay, maybe the first one. The first one will find it in args, and then the rest of it will need to walk through the args path table, and yeah, this part's a little fuzzy. We'll figure it out. Anyways, I mean, the plan for today is to implement this. I think this is the final piece of the completion that I want to do. I don't know if there's any other cases that I might run into in the future which I need to complete, but for this project, I just want this object completion now. So when I'm here, it should give me whatever parameters this guy expects. Other than that, everything is done. So the mutation gets auto-completed here. Every field here gets auto-completion. Blah, blah, blah. We've done this. So yeah. So that's the last piece of the puzzle. And other than that, I also want to try something. This was how we configure this, right? So it's like we use the code gen CLI to generate the JSON or whatever, boring stuff. But I wanted to try something a bit cooler or a bit more seamless to integrate, where it would just be this, and someone who's using it would just give it their whatever local host, let's say, and GraphQL localhost port 3141 because we're fans of pi here, and headers is, I mean, we'll need headers for authentication and all, but yeah. So this is something that I want. I mean, this also depends on whether or not the server has introspection enabled. So we can just make a query to a GraphQL query with the introspection fields and get the schema information out of it. I don't know how complex this will be, which is why I've kept it for last. But yeah, something to try out. I mean, to be honest, I've been streaming this project for a while, so I might just go, yeah, this is done. Just lift my hands up and move on to a different project. Yeah, so this is where we're at. And also, before, actually, no, after this, what I want to do is also fix the README because, come on, I don't know how to use this. And I'm the one who made it. This is nothing. So we'll need to add a few more instructions on how to generate the schema, how to configure it. How also we're missing the CMP configuration, which we'll also need to specify. But yes, a lot of stuff. Hey, not really, but yeah. So right now, what I was doing was if I'm typing something here, I get where comma id, which takes me to the top, to the first or the topmost argument. So the plan for this is to get the argument type, and then follow that type, follow every field with that type. The problem there though is I have a util for this. What was it? Get field or whatever. This guy. So I have this which would walk through the tree and like give me the types the way I need it. But the problem is it doesn't support args. So what I'm thinking here is yeah, so I'll just take the first item out. I'll convert it manually. I'll just take the arg and figure out the type and give that type to get field, and hopefully it knows how to complete from there. Let's see. I don't know how to. Is there a way to destructure this? Get the first element out and get the rest of it. Head, tail, Lua, help me out. Get in. Okay, this give me the. I guess I can just do this. 0. But how do I get the rest? Args path dot slice. No. Slice. Table dot slice. Nothing. What does this do? I know packing and unpacking. I think this is how you do it, but I don't know how to use it. If anyone does, let me know. vim.tbl underscore values map is. Oh, this is. Yeah, I haven't even started the stream and I'm stuck. Contains and reverse lookup. Nope, none of these. Google. When in doubt. Oh, I forgot to tweet this out. God, I need to learn how to be better at Twitter. Just okay. Yes. Lua. Head, tail, or cons, or get the tail without copying. Okay. No. Too much code. We don't need that much. Select, unpack. What? Select. What the fuck is select? These people are confusing me more. No. Helper, unpack, or unpack. What the hell are these guys on? Okay, that wasn't. I'm not going to look into that anymore. Slice, init. Is that helpful? Okay, is this library fun? Okay. Oh, okay. I'll have to import something for this. No more dependencies. I've already reached my personal quota for it. Did I just write it manually? Just copy lines. I think that makes sense. Let's not waste time anymore. Slice table and min comma max. I mean, I don't need. Let's just do tail. We'll do the rest later. So if how do we get the? I think it's this, right? Let's see. If length of table is greater than 0 or equal to 0, then empty. Otherwise, return empty. Otherwise, we'll is there a way to just remove one item from? No, I shouldn't do that. That is terrible. Yeah, there is. You could just remove the first item. Should I? Local tt equals table dot clone? No. Table dot. Okay. Okay, that's perfect. This is exactly what I want. Okay, so I can do table.move. Is that deprecated though? Looks deprecated. Yeah. So we've got table1, which is a source, I believe. Index goes from 2 to #table, comma local tail tl. How do I create new table? Let's do that. Let's return tl. That's it. Cannot assign table to parameter. Oh, did I not? Okay. Table. Okay, there are 3 integers apparently. This is not what I was expecting, but okay. I'll need the I'll need the documentation for this. No clue what I'm doing here. Okay, Lua, you're not being helpful. Remove, sort, move. There is no move. Hey, what kind of games are you playing here, Lua? Lua, remove, Lua, no. There's no move. That's weird. Let's just do one FE. Okay, moves elements from table A1 to table A2. Okay, F to E. Okay, T to end is F to E. So yeah, this makes sense. This what? Cannot assign function to TL, right? There it is. Deprecate. Fuck. Can you maybe let me know what the alternative is? Okay, this is too much. Too much work. Let's simplify this. X in pairs TL, no, pair TBL, then do done, sorry, and we just insert it. Table.insert tl comma x. Yeah, seems like it should work. So if I do tl equals tail args path and I do h equals args path, no, 0. Yeah, let's do h, let's do tl and run it. No, this won't have it. Let's do it here. Where ID? No, that's not what I wanted. Okay. What was the first one then? Messages nil. Oh, right. My god, I'm stupid. But still. Wait. Okay, I just copied all the all of these items, so that's not what I wanted. I does that give me what is pairs versus I pairs? Returns 3 values, the table and nil, so that the construction kv will iterate over key value pairs of table. What is I pairs then? I pairs returns 3 and 0, so the construction will iterate over pairs up to the first integer key absent from the table. What? Okay, let's just go with this. If I greater than 1, then insert, otherwise don't. There. Shitty code. It's fine. Okay. 1 second, something fell. My dog is responsible, I know for a fact. Okay. Yeah. He knocked over my old PS4. I mean, luckily I just got a PS5 yesterday, so my God, you are a menace, Fuzzy. You have a problem. Um, Coming back to code. Okay, my ID. That's what I expected. And where? Yay, we got what we wanted. There's a head, there's a tail. This one is arg name, and these guys are. Wait. Yeah, these guys are fields, right? I don't know if I follow this, so I can't expect anyone who's listening to follow this, which I don't think there is anyone listening, which is fine. I am not sure because so to me it seems like only the first part is problematic where we get the type from the list of arguments. After that, it's just iterating over the schema the way we've done it so far. So I feel like this should be it, but I'm still not sure. So let's try this. Let's actually first moving this to where is util. Moving this to util would be a good idea. Util dot that. Can we do cons and just return head and tail both? TBL 0, comma. I think this would be, oh, not 0, 1. God, you are the only problem I have in my life. Underscore name, comma, this guy. Print. I don't think this will work, but let's do that. Trying this out again. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, so let's get arg first. Arg is find. Do we have a find function? Find a table. Perfect. Utility functions for the win. Args or this guy function arg. Let's see. Here we do a dot name is arg underscore name, right? Okay, I mean, as is tradition, we need to print this out to see if what we're doing works. It worked. Okay, I am as surprised as anyone would be in my situation, I think. So let's move on. We don't have fields here. I think what, yeah, so here we have a starting point. I think so. Let's collapse this first. Util dot collapse type this guy, or this dot type actually. Oh, thank you, Goa, for reminding me. If arg is not equal to nil, then do that, else do anything. End. Update user where. Perfect. Now, so we've got the fields list which we can follow there. Local field equals self underscore get underscore field fields, and here I need to actually, this happens inside because fuck off. Okay, this thing needs to insert the collapse type in here, right? Am I sane right now? Am I making any sense? Okay, so here this is what I want is table dot insert that guy into fields, right? Why is fields nil? Okay, I am confused. Oh, I got it. This guy. Nil, comma, whatever. Right. Yep. Works. Arg name, arg path, what am I doing? Field equals that. I'm confused. Let's print this. Let's not worry about something that I haven't done yet. True. Because I do want to, and I do want the simple type instead of um, the entire field. Let's see. Let's see what I get. FFF. FFF. Oh, come on. Nil. That's not fun. Okay, hydration break. I'm gonna go drink some water. Bye bye. The water has been drunk. Consider the water drunken. No. Consider the water inside me. No, that's even worse. Let's not go there. Then dot inspect, what was I doing? Okay, so here, I don't know why, but this isn't working the way I expected. So let's try this again. ID. Oh no, I am Mr. Dummy. Dummiest of the dummiest. I want to prepend it, not append it. So, yeah, perfect. I forgot to remove this. Let's do it again. Messages. I got something, which is good. Oh. Oh. Oh, that's fucking perfect. Oh. I mean, this thing is wrong, which I had forgotten, but this code reminded me. But yeah, we can correct the schema and okay. So I don't need to worry about this. This just works. Is there any useless thing here? Field.args. Yeah, all of these are required. So yeah, I think this is fine. Okay, so I've got what I have here is messages. Okay, so I'll get the type here or the field here. What I can do then is field.fields, which will give me a list. Oh, can vim.nil be? Wait, I'll just try it out. I don't want to. Vim.nil or 5. Okay, that doesn't work. So I'll have to explicitly check if it's equal to vim.nil, right? So if field.fields, actually no, I don't want to do that. Okay, break, my dog is being a little bit annoying today. Hmm? Hmm? You're an annoying little baby. Go do your taxes. Go. Done. I've taken care of him. Assassinated him. I just sneaked up behind him with the piano wires and just done. Um, what was I doing? Yeah, fields. I need to check if fields is okay. No, local fields is I've got a util called if else, which we can use now. Field.fields is not equal to vim.nil. We can do field.fields, else we'll need an empty one. Okay, that works. We get, either way, we get a table of fields. Why does this redefined? Okay, what do we call it? What is this? um, sorry, object value field. Not sure if that fits, but that's the most accurate thing I could think of. Object value field. I need Lua formatter here. Fuck. I always think of setting it up, but I never do. Need to check for nil. God, so many nil checks. Okay, I'll just do it here. Object.nil. Oh, and. Yeah, oh, right. This guy won't know. Oh, this is so much work. So much work. No, I don't want to do all of this. If nil or is not equal to nil, then do all this, otherwise end. I'll simplify the code later. This is too deeply nested. Refactoring is a must, but we've got a list of fields, which is, oh god, fields is also defined. Where is fields? What? Oh, okay. Um, object fields. Yeah, I mean, this guy can also be renamed to object field. Perfect. That should be enough. I don't know where to test it though. I don't have an example for it. Let's create one then. Schema. Where? Okay. So here, what we can also do now is equal. I don't know. Does it support generics? I don't really know. Underscore EQ or check underscore EQ is T. So check ID check ID, and this guy is check. Okay, I mean, it's pretty clear that it doesn't support generic, so I don't know how to implement this. Let's, oh, this, let's Google this, you know, that's why Google exists. GraphQL generics. Interface. Okay, so type doesn't have it, interface has it. Let's see. Interface. Syntax highlighting works, that means everything works. Okay, so yeah, this will give me, let's add more of these. GT, T, LT, T, what else? NEQ, T, contains, no, is one of T. Is that how arrays are represented? Yeah, let's see. Let's just take this guy to the schema generation person, the guild or whatever. There it is. So we need introspection, JSON. Oh. Getting rid of all of it. Bye bye. Paste. Oh, did I not copy it? Why is this misbehaving? What is happening? I have it in my clipboard, you stupid piece of shit. Is there a way to do this? I want to exclip selection. Have I done this before? No. Selection clipboard. Is that it? Have I copied it? Yes, that worked. Okay, I should probably create that as an alias, because a command, because I always have this issue where my clipboard just unexpectedly stops working. Okay, so syntax error. Yay. So how do I do this? How do I rerun this? And I can't undo it either. Oh my god, I'm so pissed at stupid online editors. Yeah, there we go. I'll just copy this bit so I don't have to worry about this. So the problem now is, why the fuck is this not working? Unexpected character. Oh, someone's knocking at the door. Is it my dog? I don't know. At this time of the night? Who? Ozzy? Is it you? You know what time it is? You need to go to school tomorrow and study to become a doctor. What are you doing? Sniffing done? Anything else I can help you with? Can you leave? Please, I'm trying to do something here. No. Okay. This is another problem that I have to deal with. Oh my god. Why? No, no. Fuzzy, please. Just. Yep, he's back outside. He doesn't know how to behave. Oh, he's such a baby. Okay, now I don't know what to do. All right, so we don't have generics. I think that's the takeaway here. Do we not have generics? Okay, this is an open issue. Thank you. God fucking damn it. Okay, so I guess that's not a thing. Actually, give me a second. I'll need to look something up. Private. Okay, yeah. I'm back. Okay, so I think it's confirmed we don't have generics. Ah, sad day for humanity. So what I'm thinking is we can just have these as two separate types. I mean, this is just a demo, so I don't really care all that much of doing it the right way or anything, but it is kind of sad that we don't get generics. What kind of a world are we living in where a man can't have the generics that he wants? Ugh, sad times. String, 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 string. Okay, so I can do check underscore ID, check underscore string. Yay. So, I mean, the more critical part here is to get the schema converted to JSON. JSON is my buddy. Json, as the Primogen calls it, or the way we're supposed to call it. It doesn't work still. Okay, I don't want to deal with this. Fuck off. Explosions again. I thought we were done with this, but apparently not. There's our JSON. There's our Json. Okay, whatever, man. Just let me paste this. Got it. Yay. Let's see. User ID. Okay, I don't know where that came from. Interface. Perfect. Perfect. That works for me. Let's try this again. Now what I'm expecting here is when I do this, I get a list of fields. I do get a list of fields. Huzzah! Or hooray! Or any other chant. Okay, so what we can just show these fields as auto completion, right? Let's just copy this shit over here. I need to refactor a lot of this. My god, this is so ugly. This makes me want to stop writing code altogether. I'm just trying to convince people that no, this is not how I normally write code, but it's the reality is a lot of the time this is what I end up with. Field. Oh, I can't use field. Let's do F. Again, this is pre-refactor code. Let's just chill out, okay? Okay, I'll add details later, documentation and all that. Let's go. Underscore any. There it is. We've got our completions. Hey, I think it'll also give us the completion here. Yeah. I think that's all right. I mean, as far as my use case goes, I'm totally fine with having that. So I don't really care all that much. But yeah, if I do nuck, there it is nuck and 20. I don't know. Underscore. Okay, that doesn't work. So this is object field. What I'm, oh, give me a second. My dog is knocking again. He's going to destroy everything if I don't let him in. What a fucking brat. Okay, so can you behave? Yeah, okay. I think he's going to be nice this time. I don't know. Please don't destroy everything. What was I doing? Yeah, so I'm getting object field here, right? Object underscore field. I think along with object underscore value, we can also support object underscore field, which will probably get us where we want to be. Let's go. Underscore. No, it didn't. Okay. What? Am I doing things right here? I think the args path might be wrong. Let's print this out. Run.inspect, and there's no place for star here. Let's go. Object field and messages, nothing. Oh, we didn't get here at all. So it's a field path, right? That must be fucked. Let's see. Underscore. Nope. What? It didn't get here at all? Oh my god, I'm a fucking idiot. Holy shit. And? Are you fucking kidding me? This is what I spend my time debugging. Okay, back to this. Let's test this again. Underscore n. Nope. Nothing. So there is something wrong with this. Again, let's check the path. Vim.inspect. Oh, I've got a new follower. Hi. Oh, CWSTX. It's weird with Twitch. Just random letters. How do I pronounce it? Cow Sticks. Hi, Cow Sticks. Nice to meet you. Let's again try this. It's so anxiety inducing when someone follows you. Oh, just suddenly I feel like, holy shit, do I just quit? Do I just stop streaming? Oh, what? Why is there an underscore here? That makes no sense. Oh. Oh, okay. So I think what's happening is, I mean, I don't know what's happening, but I'm guessing what's happening here is error. Okay, that's not something I was expecting, but what I think is, yeah, so here's the object value. This is where we were working off of, but now that we're at object underscore field, my function here gets confused because now for object underscore field, it feels like it needs to append this to the list of argument path. So, yeah, I mean, if you guys don't understand, let me know because I don't understand either. Object underscore fields. Oh, where am I? Here. Args underscore path. So this, yeah, this is, I'm not too sure about this. Okay, let's try this again then. Closing this. So far we've got this working. We've got our completions here, but, and here as well. Oh, it doesn't work there either. My God, that, how do I do this now? Okay, so we've got an argument path, which is where ID and whatever we're typing, which shouldn't be the case. I don't know if there's a way to work around that. Nope. Okay, I mean, this is a good place to commit my code right here. So let's do that instead of worrying about what I'm going to do next. Why is this not adding? Yeah. Let's create a commit. No, this guy as well. Heat fix. No. Okay, I need to stop making that joke. It has never been funny. Feature. What is this? What did I just do? Yes, object value completion. Buggy as hell. Please fix it ASAP. Oh, fuck off. I fucking didn't. Oh, shit. I'll have to type the whole commit message again. I'm an idiot. What was I doing? Object value completion. That's it. Okay, so we've got a commit. Um, uh, Before I continue, I need to finish off this guy because this is useless. What? I need some instructions here. So, I mean, the first part of it is CMP. How do we configure CMP? We need to add the source here. Example. Oh wait, I did. I did make some changes before. Let's pull this. Okay, so we've got that. Okay, this is not how you comment. Yeah. So we need to add our source, and also we need to generate schema JSON file. So how do we do that? Shell? I don't know. This thing has to be I forgot. npx graphql codegen. Let's just search for this. npm graphql codegen. Let's see. Do I just link this guy here? Oh, download schema. Okay, so I don't need to worry about any config and all that shit. So I can just... Oh, so in that case, the idea that I was speaking about before, where back to here, where was it? Example, yeah. So what I was talking about before was we can have the schema JSON file, but along with it, we can also support something like this, where we give it a URL, http localhost/graphql, and along with it some headers, because a lot of the times you need authentication. So we support something like this. So if we have GraphQL codegen, we don't need to do that, because we can just tell the people to just run this, right? Oh, this is nice. Okay. I was worrying about this a little too much, but apparently it's much easier. Let's go. npx apollo codegen generate schema file. How do I do this? From server, from GraphQL server, from .gql schema file. These are the two approaches. I think this one would be before, but no, let it be. I don't want to worry about it. Let's do graphql.schema.json. Perfect. Oh, I did it in the wrong place. Nice. Just bringing this back here. And the second one was generate. Okay. What? Generate? I'm not sure I understand it. I'm just gonna try it. Let's see. If this works, it works. If it doesn't, I don't know what I'll do then. What's the name of this guy? It's schema.gql. Let's try this. Okay. Oh no, I don't want to overwrite this. Let's create another file for it. Yes. So while this is happening, how are the children? How's your mom doing? Is she all right? Oh, it didn't work. What happened? Every time I bring up your mom, you break down. Please upgrade your dependencies to what? NPX? What are you doing, bro? Let's see if NixOS has this. Node packages, or let's just Apollo-codegen. No, Apollo space codegen. Has to be something, right? Nope, there isn't. Ah, that sucks. Okay, so what are my options here? Let's try yarn. Yarn, would that do it? No. Yarn run? No. How do you... shit. Okay, so I'll just have to add GraphQL here, right? GraphQL-codegen. I'm assuming the explosions in the background are ruining my voice. I'll have to speak a little closer to the mic. That may make it better, more tolerable, I hope. There it is. So I run it now and it should, what, why? It does have a package JSON. What are you talking about? No, Apollo codegen not found. NPX, I'm gonna rely on NPX again. Nope. Ah, this is stressful. Okay, I'll just add this command to my package JSON that I just created for this exact reason. Scripts. What the hell? What is it? Generate. Let's do that. Yarn generate. Apollo codegen command not found. What the hell are you talking about? Apollo. There is no Apollo. That didn't go the way I expected it to. Yeah, it's supposed to be. Oh, GraphQL. What the fuck is wrong with me? I added GraphQL codegen and. Okay, so consider me confused. Why am I adding GraphQL codegen? Because that's the name of the package. Motherfucker. Oh no. My life. So many seconds of my life I waste with this. Do I just do this? GraphQL. Yeah, generate. Okay. Not enough non-option arguments. Okay, there was something here that I didn't understand, so I just ignored, but okay. Ozzy, what's up? How can I help you? Don't you have important dog things to do? Like sniffing your butt somewhere in that corner? Okay, good boy. Oh, sleepy. Just sit. Don't annoy me, please. Let me do my thing. Okay. A 3-second, 3-minute break to get my dog to stop annoying me. Yep, had to throw him out of the room again. My god. One day, I'll train him better. He's so annoying, but he's so cute, so he gets away with it. Okay, what was I doing? Explosion. Diwali is a season of, or festival of fire. Definitions, I don't need. What are definitions for? Schema.json. Okay. To generate Swift code. No, I don't want to generate Swift code. Can you just tell me how I generate JSON? That would be helpful. Okay, Apollo CLI. Is that what I was looking for? No. Apollo codegen. Let's see. Codegen core. That should be it. I don't know what I'm expecting to find here. something about maybe serialized to JSON. That's not something important. Definitely not. Okay, that went nowhere. Apollo Cogen core. Apollo or back. Is there Apollo Cogen here? My god, why is it so confusing? Apollo CLI. Are you here for Cogen? Oh, oh, so they've just completely switched over to this new CLI. Okay, okay, I was wasting my time apparently. GraphQL. This looks so much more official. It's got the at symbol in the package name. That's what makes it look really fancy. Let's go package.json. So we're going to install, let's add this. Project repository. Okay, how do I init? Oh, right. So yeah, the old way to do it supported arguments, command line arguments, but this one doesn't. This one needs a config file or something, right? So if I just do something here, yarn this guy, I can help. Oh no, this is the old one. I need to remove that then. Bye bye. Yarn. Yeah, that seems about right. Can't find GraphQL. Okay, that's not an issue. GraphQL. I'm giving you everything you want. Just start working at some point. Add TypeScript. Could you just tell me what everything you need? Why do I have to run it every time and see? Hey, that works. Yay. Okay. Name of the project. What? I don't. Yeah. So this is the problem here. It needs a codegen.yaml file. I would have loved it if I could just, you know, have it without having to set up this, but nah. I can load extension. No, that's different from plugins, I'm assuming. Yeah, I don't like this. This ecosystem has made me sad. Can I use the old one? No, let it be. I'll do things the right way. I promised my I was gonna say grandfather, but no. Promised my grandfather that I'll be good. I'll do things the right way, which is the only way. None of these are relevant then. I need to create a. Oh, so how would the codegen.yaml config work? Because I'm guessing that'll need um, a server, right? Or could I just specify the schema to it and it'll know how to generate the JSON for it? I'm assuming it will. It's plugins, yeah. I mean, I know it's the introspection plugin which I need. No, that's not what I need. Introspection, there it is. Okay, so I need to add that as well. Oh, give me a second. Dog knocking on the door. this hour of the night. He's back. I don't know what he'll do now. Okay. So far so good. So I'll run this and it will give me the config. Backend application GraphQL. Oh no, none of these. What the fuck? Why are people using GraphQL for backend? Stop that. I mean, I do that at work, but stop it. GraphQL request, other framework, none of these. I don't want any of these. Let's do this. Path or URL. Okay, so I just give it schema.gql. I hope that's the path. Schema.gql. Yep. No, not that. Not that. There's no introspection. What the fuck? Let's add this then. I don't know what that'll do. Right to SRC general. Yeah, do whatever, man. I don't care. I don't judge. Yes. This is what I want. The other stuff you can keep for yourself. I don't care. Config codegen.es. Okay. Okay. I don't know. I didn't know that they had a ES version of the config, but that's great. Codegen. Apparently it's doing something. That's great, I think. Okay, npm install. No, I just need to, yeah, let's do npm. Oh, this is a yarn household. How dare you take the npm name here? Blasphemy. Codegen.es. Let's see. Schema generates this guy. I don't want this guy. Fuck off. Oh no, I don't want it here. I want it here. So do I just do this? Oh right, I forgot to edit my schema. I'd remove this guy from everywhere. Okay. Does this work? No, it doesn't. Okay. These modern CLI tools are just terrible. Why did they just cut off here? Wrap around. Type mutation must be input type, but got user payload where must be input type. Oh, okay. Okay, I remember some of this. I'm not completely stupid about GraphQL stuff. That's what I need to do, right? No, that's not what I need to do, but nice try. Must be input type. Okay. Okay. So interface is not a thing either. That's a little weird, right? That you have to specify that, because I'm using it as a type. So it should have worked, but I'm rambling about nothing again. Let's stop doing that. Stop it. Okay, this is exactly the way I want it to be. So let's do codegen.ts. Let's change this path to normal. Let's remove graphql.schema.1.json rm. Okay, none of the other things are that important, but let's add this in. Okay, so we've got this. Let's try it again because it's still pointing to the same thing. Um, underscore. Yep, the auto completion works. Hooray! I do want to use a snippet engine. I had discussed this in the last stream. I do want something. So when you have snippets, right? So as soon as you're done, as soon as you hit enter, it goes to the first empty thing where you need to input. So I would have liked it if I could have it that way, and then the user could just press tab to go to the next thing, which will take the user here, and then again, which will take the user inside here. And that way it will be a lot, the experience would be a lot better. But and for now, this is fine. Keeping this way. Should I just link this in this file using at what was this at graphql codegen/cli. All right, Ozzy, what the hell is wrong with you, little boy? My child, my son, listen to me, son. Stop this nonsense. Stop it. Stop it. Sit down. Okay, yeah. God, this part is so boring. I'm tired. Okay, stop it. He's gonna chew the fucking wires here. 5 seconds. Again, doggy break. Ah, there he's gone. He's gone. Oh, what was I doing here? All right. So this part is useless. This is the important bit. The user only has to do one thing, right? They just have to init it. The rest is, yeah, the rest is pretty straightforward. And then JS, no, how is it JS all of a sudden? And then they need to do yarn code gen, yarn and yarn code gen. Yeah, that's it. Oh, yeah, I don't like this at all. This is so complicated. I mean, the steps for setting this plugin up were already complicated by itself, but now this just adds another layer to it. Ah, so much pain. Make so run code gen init to set up the code gen config file. Make sure what am I making sure? What introspection, right? Code gen. Make sure introspection JSON is enabled. Should I also ask them? Nah, that's fine. Then that's it. Set up for your project. Yeah, that's all right. I think this thing should be the default. So we can just add that in. Here's the config. Right, this is the default. So no, they don't have to specify this. I can just test this out. Hey, underscore EQ, there it is. We've done it. Done it, you son of a bitch. Let's commit this. No. I forgot. Let's commit this. Sure, no. Yeah, sure. Adds default value to path. That's done. And the readme. Oh, I'm still not satisfied with this readme, but I don't want to work on this. I'm bored. I'm very bored. Let's prettify this. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is S star. At the start of the line goes to star. That's it. Yeah. This should look fine. Let's take inspiration / steal some other project's readme. How do I? Yeah, nvim-cmp. This is the project. Everything else goes to shit. Let's go to the wiki. Okay, which one's a good one? Yeah, let's yoink that guy. Built-in language server, capabilities. Okay, this is just, yeah, this is kind of shit. I'm gonna say it. It's shit. LSP document symbol, signature help, LSP path. Be nice. No, it's terrible. Okay, I mean, this would be helpful, but nah. I mean, there's a reason I didn't go for this, because in this thing, what the problem here is, it depends on the project. The path to the schema JSON file might change depending on if the person is working on a different project with code gen already enabled. So it's better to not assume. And yeah. Oh, right. I should also specify that here. Path to generated JSON schema file. In project. There. Finally. No. Docs, I haven't implemented anything. Docs, adds, no. Fixes. Oh my god, what did I do? What did I do just now? Adds instructions for code gen. Is this good enough? I don't know. This looks bad, but let's push this. OG Phoenix, CMP GraphQL. Let's go. Here we are. neovim CMP GraphQL based on completion. Use a plugin manager. Yeah, this looks like shit. We guessed it. It's shit. Let's reduce the number of what? Yeah, okay. Let's reduce the number of this guy's, the header. Maybe that'll make it look nice. I don't know. What else? Can we prettify something else? Oh, I forgot to tell them to add this in, right? I also need okay, install this. That's the first step. My god, I'm sleepy. Yana, yeah, I think I'm done with this. I mean, I'm done with the stream. I might drop off in a bit. Yanad, -d. Install that guy. Go gen init to setup. Make sure introspection. Note. Let's leave that as a note here. Blum blum blum. Zoom zam zoom. Bim bim boom. Okay, I'm gonna ignore the rest of it. I don't know. Is that does that need to be specified? Who knows? Let's hope the meaning gets across. Some stuff I did to make readme make sense. Thank you. Pushing it again to see the readme here. There, it looks, it still looks shit, but it looks like I know what I'm doing. Which is a good step up. Yeah. Okay. There. The project. I mean, is it done? I have this. I have an issue there, but I'm gonna say I have it. I've decided I'm not handling enum types here because, I mean, I don't need enum types here, which is why I'm not implementing it. But if it turns out that someone needs it implemented, we might come back to this. Name. Okay, what did payload have? Payload had nothing. That can't be true. Username. There it is. Okay, one thing that we also need to do here is autocomplete the colon. The way we are doing, where were we doing that? I think we're doing it here. No? We are doing this here, so we should autocomplete the colon here as well, colon space. So where is it? Where are you? I'm so sorry. Where is it? Okay, I'm tired of JK through the document. It's too big. The file is too big. What was I doing? I should really stop streaming at night. I get so confused and sleepy. Oh, yes, here. Ah, finally understood what I was doing. This. That's it, right? Yeah, that's it. And also, we have a separate thing for arguments, but I don't think we need it because so the object value thing is just a generalization of argument. let's see. Does this work? Let's just add the other stuff here. Let's comment this out. Let's see. Where? No, it doesn't work. Yeah, that was unfortunate. Okay. Where did I fuck up? So what it was doing was getting the args and just using it as is, which we're not doing. Yeah. Yeah, in that case, let's just keep it separate. Yeah. Again, refactoring is something that future me might do if I ever want to. The present me is sleepy and tired. So the present me is going to call it quits in like 5 minutes. What else do I have to do here? Yeah, let's prettify some of it. So like for example here, username. It's a property. Yes, it's a property. What can I add? What information can I add in there? What information can I give it? Here. So let's do object field or yeah, object field f dot name. No, do I need it? Let's add it now. Let's do f dot type, right? So I can do util dot collapse type and give it f dot type. I'm not sure if this will work. Let's see. User, there it is. Holy shit, I was not expecting that to work, but it did. I'm so happy. PQ ID, that is perfect. Okay, so we can add the same thing for this guy, argument. It'll be something field. Oh, wait, actually, we can do this here where we can generalize the two by checking if the field's length is greater than 1. If it is, there are nested fields. If it's not, we can just use field.args or something like that. Again, future me problem. I won't deal with it right now. Collapse type, what is this? This is argument. Let's see where. Oh, there's no F. My god. Dummy of the highest degree. Where? That is amazing. Oh, okay. I don't know if I should do it in a different way, maybe. I don't know. This is fine for now. I don't want to worry about it. Here. So what is this guy? This is this type. Okay, this is a type. Right. So if I do something here, I get string, check string, search result, whatever. So this is a type. Let's keep it type. Or should I use field.kind? Or is it field.type.kind? Let's see. Stuff. Oh, that's perfect. Yeah, that's exactly what I want. And what about search result? That's a union. Yes. Oh, this is going better than I expected. Yeah. So this one is a field. I can also get the type value here. So field dot collapse util dot collapse type. I should just copy paste this, but nah, I don't need to go down there. Field dot type. Username. That's a string. Here, user. That's a user. Wow! We've done it. We've finally done it. It's over. Roll is a roll. I'm on a roll. Okay, that. Did I add? No, I didn't add completion there. I think I should add completion there as well, right? Because this is going to be type. I need completion here for the type. Yeah, I think that makes sense. And what about this guy? This works. I've handled inline fragments and I've handled what was this? Variable definitions. I didn't handle actual fragments. Here it is. Variable definitions and inline fragments, but not fragments, which is a shame. What is this guy? Yes, play. Where am I? Yes. Fragment underscore definition. Is that where I want to check it? Actually, I want to check it inside type underscore condition. Because, yeah, I think both these have type underscore condition. So, I can just do this once and it handles both the cases. Let's see. Search. No, it doesn't. I was way too confident. It didn't work. Okay, it stopped working here as well. That's awesome. Did I spell that wrong? Every fucking stream, I have this exact question. Did I spell it wrong? And usually the answer is yes. Type underscore condition. Okay, that wasn't it. Oh, okay, so maybe the node I'm at is, let's see, ts node under cursor. It's name. Okay, then it should have worked, right? Variable definitions, return true. Type condition, return true. Oh no. My brain is fry. Let's do it this way. Fragment underscore definition. Definition. Again, did I spell it right? The answer is no. Let's print this out. I don't know how helpful this will be, but yeah, let's try this. User. There it is. I've got my autocompletion here. I've also got my autocompletion here. Let's see. Oh, okay. So it's at fragment definition. It starts at fragment definition. That's hopeless. Yeah, so there's nothing I could have done to generalize it. Doesn't matter. Yay, it's over. It's finally over. I've already said that, so I don't know how much weight it carries anymore. Supports fragment definition type. Does that group of words mean anything? I don't know. So one thing that we are not supporting here is enums or unions. So you can see there's no completion here because search gives you an enum. Search gives us search result. Should I, in the details instead of field, should I just say search or something? Let's do add symbol, right? At field, at argument, at object underscore field. I don't know. At object, at value. No, at property. Yeah, I think that's enough. Here, what is this again? This is at type field.kind. No. Yeah, this is fine. Yeah, at type object. Perfect. This works. Feed some stuff I did to make things nice and pretty. There we go. There it is. We are at a stage where we can consider this done. Let's change the readme to remove work in progress because I don't know how much progress this project is going to make after this. And I'll use it. If there are any bugs, I'll fix it. But I don't know how much I'm going to maintain this. Let's commit this guy as well. Yeah. All right. Yay! We've got a Lua plugin on our GitHub. Look at me. I'm so cool. I've got a Lua plugin in my GitHub profile. Everyone will think I'm awesome. Alright. So here's the thing. I think I'm gonna stop working on this next stream. I might do something different. I don't know if there's anything else left. I mean, for me it's usable, so I'm gonna leave it here. I might come back to it if there's anything else that I need to anything major that I need to work on here. But other than that, goodbye CMP GraphQL. It's been a pleasure. And yeah, I think we're at that stage where we say goodbye for now. I mean, I don't know when I'll stream next, but goodbye. Oh, yay! I forgot about that. I've got 3 followers now. That's awesome. Feel great. Oh, and sleepy, but mostly great. So my cursor is doing a spinny spin. Stop streaming. Okay, goodbye.